We get some cool news for you this morning. The same company that came out with the Rocky Ridge F-150, and you know them for the Black Widow editions, has a new lowered Ram 1500 with a Whipple supercharger, 650 horsepower, and a really sick look on this Ram 1500. So check this out. It's on the website of Fox Factory Vehicles. It took in the cover off this baby, and wow, it's got a sweet look. Some really cool 22-inch tires on this thing, or wheels, and it's got the striping on here. It's gold striping. I'm getting flashbacks of Smokey and the Bandit. Yes, I am that old. Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. Let's talk about this guy. This guy's got me really interested. And they did email to ask if people wanted to drive it. Raising my hand here. Hell yeah, I do. So look at this guy. We have a performance coilover, lower suspension. I'll go through all the details on this. Some different colors of this thing. This is diamond black. We have a white version. We have a silver version, the black, like I talked about. We have a granite crystal, and then we have a couple blues. You know, I'm looking for blue on this channel. We have a forged blue and a hydro blue as well. Looks pretty cool. We have a graphics package on the back. I'll talk more details about that in this video. So let's kind of go through this video here, video inside the video. See what I did there? Yeah. So let's play the audio for this. This is a really cool video. So that thing just looks cool. And what this strictly is like a base trim level, like either like a tradesman or a bighorn in this case, and then they modify it. So you get the performance coilover lowering system, you get a 650 horsepower supercharged 5.7 liter Hemi V8. You got a really cool exhaust on that as well. 22-inch black alloy wheels. You can do two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. 305 40 R22 street performance tires. Max towing 11,000 pounds. Who cares about that? Front splitter, rear spoiler, 1,900 pounds of payload. Again, nobody cares about that. And then they have a lineup of things. But starting price, $89,995. And that's going to be like, for example, like a tradesman, a dealer can build it. You probably go like a bighorn, the bigger screen, a little more features inside the cabin. You have 650 horsepower supercharged V8, performance coilover system. We talked about the alloy wheels, performance tires, the dual performance exhaust. Remember, the Hemi this year comes with the performance exhaust GT, and then the front splitter, rear spoiler, gold accents with the graphics package. And then let's click on features here because I want to go through all the features for you guys. So as part of the Ram direct connection thing, you can buy this. It's part of the Mopar. This is part of the new store. That's where I got the new exhaust on the Ram RHO I have outside. So direct connection system. And then so if you look at these features, we'll talk about performance first. It is a Whipple supercharger. We do, like I said, performance lowering suspension coilovers by Ridetech, the 22-inch custom black wheels. Talk about high performance street tires. There's your performance dual exhaust with black tips. I imagine that's the same exhaust that I have on my truck that we talked about. And then we have exterior features, the front chin splitter, the rear tailgate spoiler, grille vents, the sport hood accent, powder coated tow hooks, bedside graphics package, and a tailgate badge. So the graphics package on the bed says 650 Hemi, and I think I'm going to keep that. I know a lot of people like the debadge stuff and take out the graphics, but I'm going to keep that badge back there because why not, man? I want people to know this thing is not just a regular Hemi. This thing's probably going to fly because I think the regular Hemi is right around 300 some horsepower. The RHO, which I have outside, is 540 horsepower. You know, I've been driving that for the channel for the year, doing a long-term review on that kind of guy. As long-term as I can. I appreciate that. So in the comments. And so then we talk about the interior features. You can do custom black seating. And when you do the build and price, it comes in cloth, which I'll show you the pictures of that. If you do the custom black seating, you get direct connection on the seat, and that's $1,000 more. All weather floor mats, center console serialized badge. So you have the badge will have the VIN number on it. They've been doing this a lot with the higher trim levels and stuff. TRX had it, RHO has it. window tint on that for the interior. And then the drivetrain, we talked about this, 650 horsepower, 5.7 Hemi, the 8-speed automatic transmission. That's a ZF transmission. They haven't had problems with that transmission since they went to ZF. Geez, going back to like 2019 model year, I think it was. And you can get a 4-wheel drive system in this. It comes 2-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive is $4,000 more. And then all your specs, you have the 650 horsepower, 600 pound-feet of torque. They say the warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles. Actually, that's bumper to bumper. Powertrain's 5 years, 60,000 miles. I have an email into them because I think that's kind of curious, because this year the Hemi warranty on all Ram trucks 2026 is 100,000 miles. So I'm kind of curious that number. And then it's crew cab, 5'7" bed. So crew cab, 5'7" bed with that appearance package on it. And when you go to the build or gallery, I want to show the gallery, because I want to show you the guys that gallery. Yeah. So when you guys look at that, there's that spoiler, there's a front splitter, there's the rear spoiler, and then there's that graphics on the 650 on the side. I think I'm going to keep that for sure. Then there's that direct connection that goes on the seat. That's how that works. And then when you go to exit out of this, there's that supercharged V8, the tuned dual exhaust. That's a catback system, 4-inch round. So that's pretty much the same thing. That's the same thing I have on the RHO. That is a MagnaFlow exhaust. And there's Whipple, twin scroll handling, and then the lowered ride height, 3 inches front, 5.5 inches rear, has a balance. So they took away the rake on that and get it really have a really good stance as far as the lowered ride height. It's really level all the way through. And there's Ride Tech with the symbol on the lowered system and the design and style. That's how it looks inside the cabin. There's your grill hood vents. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. I'm really excited to see how it works. Look at it, how it goes. And then, like I said, when you go to build and price, you get the appearance package, you get the colors, and then $1,000 more for leather seats, and then $4,000 more for the 4-wheel drive system if you add that up. So your base price $89,000, and again, I think this will be based on a tradesman. If you go Bighorn, it's somewhere in those numbers. Somewhere in those numbers, you'll get that price point. If you go, and depending on the dealership, depending on add-ons, depending on all that stuff gets added together. So I've seen a few of the Rocky Ridges around. I've seen a few, especially my area. I've seen a few Black Widows around. People are buying these trucks. They like that look from factory. You buy it one dealership, you get one price point, you get one good warranty on it. So what do you guys think of this guy? I like this lowered look. I think street trucks coming back would be a great option. It's a big deal growing up in the 90s. Lots of street trucks out there. It's just cool to see. Yeah, they're not hauling tons of weight. They're not towing. It's a very specific kind of customer. It's a different kind of truck. It's not a truck for truck. I get this kind of stuff, guys. But it's kind of a cool Sunday ride tail. It's a Saturday night, Friday night kind of cruise, Main Street kind of truck. It's just kind of a cool kind of ride. So curious to get your thoughts, put them down below. Check out the videos channel up over here. Website down below as well, pickuptrucktalk.com. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you down the road.